Hey, what's up everybody? I am back with yet another unboxing. Oh, this one's a heavy one. This shipped from Amazon.com. I'm not sure from where. I am not sponsored by Amazon. I'd love to be, or any of the products that are in this box, which I don't remember what are, but I would love to be. As always, I want to say be healthy, be happy everybody. I know we're going through some tough times, but we're going to get through it. So yeah, just be positive. First up is Atkins brand protein-rich shake. This is Milk Chocolate Delight. So this is steady energy, low glycemic and gluten-free, 15 grams of protein, 2 net carbs, and 1 gram of sugar. I've been trying the Quest shakes. I've tried the Premier Protein, the Walmart Equate shakes. These have far less protein, but, you know, I'm just changing it up. They have less sugar and less carbs, so there's that. Well, so there's 5 carbs, 3 dietary fibers, so we're counting that as 2. You know, whatever. I'm down to try different stuff. I'm not sponsored by Atkins, but Atkins, hook a brother up. Next up is this Emergen-C Immune Plus. This is cherry flavor. I'm a cherry freak. It is the best thing in the world. I love cherry with all my heart. I've been taking Emergen-C, trying to keep my immune system up during these dire times. I've tried the orange one. It's good. This is Airheads gum because I'm trying to lose weight, get healthy. I don't eat a lot of candy. I do eat candy on occasion, but I don't eat Airheads because they'll mess my teeth up. It's high in sugar, but they have this sugar-free Airheads gum, which I wanted to try. So I'm going to try that. Maybe I'll do a taste test and review of those. So this is a whole 12 pack of gum. Last, but certainly not least, is Jelly Belly brand jelly beans. This is flavored with 23 fruit juices and purees. Oh, I did not... I ordered the sugar-free. This is not the sugar-free. Regift. I might have to regift this to somebody. I don't know. I thought I ordered the sugar-free one. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Maybe I'll keep it. I don't know. But they got all the different flavors on the back. I swear I ordered sugar-free. YOLO. Let me know what you guys think. What's your favorite flavor? Ooh, toasted marshmallow, top banana, tutti frutti, berry cherry. Berry cherry is probably my favorite. Black licorice is disgusting. Disgusting. Those will be thrown in the trash can. Thanks a lot for watching my videos. Please subscribe. Let me know what you think of these products. Check out some of my other reviews, my other taste tests and stuff like that. And support my channel. You can cash at me at London Hawthorne. You can, cash at me at London Hawthorne. That helps. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. Please share. And be safe.